Hi guys, we have 15 days remaining for the CAT exam. So this is the target sheet which I'll discuss in 2 minutes. First, I want to know whether we can do it in 15 days or not. See, यार हम Indian student, we have studied two days to crack the exam. Here we are getting 15 days का time. From today, if you start, we have more than 20 days, 20 days exactly. So see, we are not at zero. We are standing at somewhere. For example, I'm getting 6 questions correct in verbal. Yeah, in verbal, I'm getting 6 questions correct. In quant DLR, I'm doing only 5 questions, 4 questions right. And verbal quant, I am not even touching. Same for quant as well, 4 5 questions. So right now very weak. I'm around 50 60 percentile. Look at this way. यार, verbal में, if I do one set, can I do on the exam day? See, we always mark option. A versus B में doubt आता है, हम लोग mark करते हैं. Yes or no, we do that. I don't know about you, but I do that. I used to do that. So I boil down to A or B. I used to mark A or B. Just imagine, yeah, that day 2 questions you do right. 6 question is 75 percentile. 8 question correct is 85 percentile. On the exam day, 2 question तुमसे ज्यादा solve हो गया. We are sorted. We are in the game. You clear the cutoff. Same way from the DLR and quant point of view. Imagine, यार, today I am able to solve one set. मैं बहुत गरीब आदमी हूँ. I can only do one set. In next 15 days, by practicing all these sets, can you get me 2 sets? 4 questions correct, the date become 8. Your percentile will jump from 90 percentile, sorry, 45, 60 percentile to 90 percentile. सीधा jump. 30% का jump by doing 4 questions more. और तुम्हें क्या चाहिए यार? Same for the oral as well. थोड़ा मेहनत करते रहो यार. This is what I want. That's why I'm bringing you. Those who think नहीं हो ही नहीं सकता, possible ही नहीं है. See, I have made many videos like this के people who have cracked the exam in 10 days, 15 days. नहीं हो ही नहीं सकता, impossible है. Let's look at this way here. 17 question correct. Today you are here, right? Those who are weak students, let's talk about them. Today you are here. 14 to 17 question correct. If I do 3 questions, 6 questions correct more in next 15 days, I can touch 90 percentile. And this is your target. This is where you are, and this is where the magic happens. कर सकते हो तो करते हैं, नहीं कर सकते तो बाकी एग्जाम है हमारे पास, स्नैप एंड मेट. या Alright, so this is a 15 days ka plan, and this is a 15 days ka crash course we are launching as well. This is the last attempt to crack the CAT exam. So I've divided this into day by day target. So November 9th, that is today, we are going to do DLR, quant based DLR, which is important is 12 marks. Just imagine, yeah, 12 question of the CAT paper, 12 marks is 4 questions is DLR, quant based DLR. Tomorrow we'll do business based RC, which is more interesting to read, 15 question. Wednesday games, 4 question again. Verbal, parasummary, 3 questions. Functions, 2 questions. Modulus, 1 question. Logs, time speed distance, new type of question. DLR, new type, which is 12 question again, one set every year. Social RC, which is boring to read. So here we're doing the RC which are interesting to read. Here we're doing the RC which are more boring to read. Then fill the blanks based DI, verbal, odd sentence out, 3 questions again. Quant, geometry number, PNC, time speed distance, time and work, sorry, geometry, angles, equations, and ratios. So total 136 marks of paper we can cover up in the next 15 days. Half of topic you already have done. Remaining topic we will just revise and give a few marks. So here you can see we're giving 15 marks in the next 15 days, next 17 days. We got 20 days का time for the CAT exam. I'm assuming कि एक दो दिन आप बीमार हो जाओगे, नहीं कर पाओगे. My target is very simple, to touch these numbers. Yeah, this is your target. फाइन, मैं कुछ टॉप नहीं करना है, ये नहीं करना है. मेरा टारगेट भैया, हम छोटे लोग हैं, मेरा टारगेट है कट ऑफ क्लियर करना है. Okay, so this is the plan. You want to take a screenshot of this plan, and in case you want to join us for these workshop, we're going to conduct all these workshop live every day. You can just call us on this numbers. We'll do the basics and advanced both of the topic. So those who are like kind of a very weak in a particular topic, we'll do the basics as well. Yeah, this is a fundamental problem which is happening here. You join a coaching class assuming that they will help you improve that topic, particular topic in the time frame we have. But problem is, suppose I join them for logs. Now logs, they will give you cat level question. यार मेरे को log का basic भी नहीं आता तो मैं cat पे कैसे जाऊँ? So we'll do the basic and advanced both. Same for the function graph. So this week 3 topic modern maths we are focusing on, dirty quant which I call them this week. यही कर ले यार, तुम्हारे 6 टॉपिक, तुम्हारा 15 मार्क है यार ये 3 टॉपिक. ठीक है, that's how we are going to play. और अभी हिम्मत नहीं हारी, लगे रहो यार, बहुत टाइम अपने पास, ट्रस्ट में यार. 15 डेज में बहुत कुछ हो सकता है. ऑल द बेस्ट.